Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. I'm preparing today cashew mint biscuits. So let's start now. So take one bunch of mint and one egg and baking soda, baking powder, plain flour, butter, unsalted butter and sugar. So I'm gonna tell you how much you need to take quantity. Take 20 grams of mint. I already washed it. So take a mixie jar, add mint, then add 100 grams of sugar. You can take castor sugar also. Mint paste is ready. Then I'm gonna transfer into the bowl. Then add one egg. Mix it. Then melt the butter now. Melt the butter in microwave for 1 minute. Let it cool down. Then we're gonna add into this mixture. Now butter is in room temperature. Add butter. Add only 100 ml. Mix it nicely. So now we're gonna add 200 grams plain flour, baking soda half tablespoon, and baking powder is half tablespoon. Mix it nicely. You can dust little bit flour. So now we're gonna make a cookies. Take a drop of butter. Take foil or any baking sheet and place it. Preheat the oven. You can add some cashews like this. It's ready. Now we're gonna keep in oven. Keep it in 150 degrees centigrade. If you want, you can put timer just for 15 minutes. Baking is done. Delicious mint cookies is ready. If you like my biscuits, please do not forget to like my video, and if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, and stay tuned for more videos, and bye.